Hi everyone, my name is Walid and I am a civil engineer. In today's video, I am going to show you how we can analyze our simulation results using the themes into the InfoWorks. In yesterday's video, I have shown you how we can analyze our results using the SQL queries, but in today's video, I am going to show you how we can have the themes. So let's get started. So we have this model already here. We already run the simulation. So for the themes, I'm going to right click and then go to the properties and themes and go to the conduits. Conduits means the links, the channels from the water flows from one node to another, and we are just going to edit it. And this here is the, you can see the themes window, and we are going to create our new theme, and we can call it our surcharge. So why we want these themes? We want to see how which conduits, which pipes are surcharged during the simulation. In this scenario, we can't see it, but once we will have this setup, we will be able to see how we can have our surcharge conduits. So what you can do is click on the surcharge, name it surcharge, and from the field we can go to the sim and then surcharge. Sim surcharge, it should be surcharge, this one, if you can just see it. Simulation surcharge, simulation surcharge. So now this window automatically topped up. So first we have to make some of the settings here. This is a similar thing. In the Civil 3D we do the cut and fill analysis, volume analysis to have create our themes with our colors. So this is that, but the editing is a bit different. So what I'm going to do is to turn on my line width, ignore as well. So I am going to ignore the first one and then toggle on this row as well and scale it to 1 and change the thickness to 2. As you can see, we can see the representation here. I am going to change it to light blue, and this one will be the pinkish, so that this one will be for the scale at, for example, 1 meter, and then this one, and then if you consider at this one, then it will be 2, like the double volume is more here, so this one will come with the 2. And now I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to turn off my subcatchments so that we can see results into the window. Now you can see like here, like some of these sections, all of these, some are in the sky blue. So these are all, you can see here, are surcharged. So now if I will go to simulate the results, you can see it in live motion. For example, this is, for example, 15, 20, 25 seconds, and you can see how the model is working in our window in the GeoPlan view. So this is, you can see how what time at, for example, 2:40 this one comes with a surcharge, and this one is with a minimum less surcharge. So this is how we can have our model to analyze the flooding, the surcharge into our GeoPlan window. So now I will just click on the maxima. So this is a show maxima. This will show us the maximum values for each conduits. Now, for example, if we want to show the manholes, for example, flooding in the manholes, we can have to adjust their themes as well. So I will go for the complex method here, to show you how we can create themes to analyze the flooding in our nodes. So nodes auto label on, theme edit, going to create our new theme. And in this one, I'm going to use SQL query. As my yesterday's video, I have also shown how we can use SQL queries into the InfoWorks. So in this video, I'm also going to use SQL query for the themes. So let's see how it works. SQL add new, and I'm going to title flood nodes, and then object type node, field type simulation, because we have already run the simulation. And then from here we can go for the flood volume, and then we have this flood volume here simulation, but I also want the flood volume lost, so I will space plus space and then add another field that is flood volume, FL volume lost. So the flood volume, current volume, or the lost volume is also into the our themes. So click save and close. Now you can see here that we have the expression of the flood nodes. So I'm just going to click this one. Okay, now you see this is automatically populated, but this one is also the color schemes. For example, you can see the manhole will be colored like this if you are want to do the ranges as in Civil 3D color schemes elevations. But here I want to change it to some different style, so I'm going to change the node styles. I'm going to switch off the colors. I'm going to do the circles and change to range to up to 9 or however you feel good. And now I am going to change the values from 0. First I will toggle this one and then 0, and then next one will be 5, change it to 5.0, and 10.0, it should be 25. So I'm just giving these all different proper segments for proper scaling around our manholes. So this is why I'm changing to particular values. So now this one should be 100. It is totally on you how you like it or how your model works. So this is to show you we can have this. So last one we will keep it as it is. For the themes I will click on 7, put it 7 and auto theme. So you can see that this is comes with the ranges, and for example this one is the highest one, so this comes with the most radius around it, and this one is 0 0, so 1, it comes with the 1, and this come 2, so this will show us the more of the radius is around the node, and then this way we can see that this comes with the more flooding. So this is how I just scaled my nodes, and with this the radius is around them. So I will just click OK, and now click OK. As you can see in the maximum values, a lot of manholes that you can see are showing flooded. All of these are flooded. So these are flooded, so these are all flooded. Now if I run the simulation, you will see that how the flooding and the surcharge and the manhole flooding happens into our model with these radiuses around them. So in this way we can present our model very nicely, and we can understand which manhole will be flooding, which conduit is a risk of flooding or surcharging, so that we can edit the model, edit our instructions. So yeah, so this is it for today's video. I hope this is helpful for you to understand how we can do the proper themes analysis in our InfoWorks model. In the next video we will see how we can do the long sections from our simulation results. So if you have any question, just ask in the comments, and thank you for watching. Peace out.